In recent years, cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary force in the world of finance and economics. But what exactly is cryptocurrency, and how is it transforming the financial landscape? In this video, we'll explore the rise of cryptocurrency, its impact on the global economy, and the potential it holds for the future. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with unique features and uses. The rise of cryptocurrency. The rise of cryptocurrency has been nothing short of meteoric. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies have gained widespread adoption, with millions of users worldwide and significant investments from both retail and institutional investors. Cryptocurrencies have attracted attention for their potential to offer greater financial privacy, faster transactions, and lower fees compared to traditional banking systems. Additionally, initial coin offerings, ICOs, and decentralized finance, DeFi platforms have further fueled interest and innovation in the space. Impact on the global economy. Cryptocurrency is reshaping various aspects of the global economy. It has introduced new investment opportunities, created innovative financial products, and challenged traditional banking systems. However, the rise of cryptocurrency also brings challenges. Volatility and regulatory uncertainty are major concerns, with governments and financial institutions grappling with how to manage and regulate this new asset class. Issues related to security, fraud, and market manipulation also pose risks. The future of cryptocurrency. Looking ahead, the future of cryptocurrency holds both promise and uncertainty. Advancements in blockchain technology and growing acceptance of digital currencies could lead to widespread adoption and integration into mainstream financial systems. Potential developments include the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which are digital currencies issued by governments, and further innovations in DeFi that could transform financial services. However, the future also depends on regulatory developments and the ability of the industry to address security and scalability challenges. Conclusion: a new economic revolution? Cryptocurrency represents a significant shift in how we think about money and finance. Its potential to revolutionize financial systems, offer new opportunities, and challenge traditional practices makes it a topic of immense interest and debate. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, it will be crucial to balance innovation with regulation to ensure a stable and secure financial future. Thank you for exploring the world of cryptocurrency with us. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on emerging technologies and their impact on our world.